Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Love Brooklyn Fun. Today, guys, you see this? This is my little guy. Have him again. He's happy to brace your presence in my lovely video, right, baby? So say hi to the subscribers. He's drinking chocolate milk, and so tonight's dinner, salmon cake, and I made pasta.
No, this is actually soup.
He didn't want no pasta, so.
Because it ain't got no cheese. Without the cheese, it ain't good.
Ranch, pasta, salad.
Yeah, I was good to avoid that.
It's good. It's basically salad, but with pasta
Oh
salad.
yeah, I was good to avoid that.
Anyway.
Any kids watching this, you should avoid that too.
It's good for you. So make sure if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to join the family. Like, comment, and hit the bell notification so you can get notified of all my little videos.
And you can't forget about avoiding the weird pasta.
Let's get into the thumbnail. Alright. Don't mind my hair, I just put it in the bonnet, so nothing. Let's see. Pasta salad, ranch. Yeah, because all you have to do is cook it like a regular pasta, right? Then you drain the water.
And you add some gross salad leaves.
No. Then you run it under cold water. Then you add mayonnaise in the seasoning packet that comes with it, the ranch packet. And then you put mayonnaise in it and ta-da.
So it's not actually a salad?
It's pasta.
Are still right to avoid it. Who puts mayonnaise in there? Are still right to avoid it. I could have hurt my
You'd be
stomach.
surprised.
Be surprised about what? My stomach getting hurt, breaking open from an alien.
So I made salmon. My husband made salmon cakes today too.
Actually, you did it. He just waited until you done prepped it.
We still fried it.
So actually, you still didn't help.
You want to do something for me?
What?
Get my ranch sauce off the microwave.
Okay.
That green packet, that Popeyes.
Okay.
Dip this in there. He's stepping away for a minute, guys. Because he loves me and he helps me so much. Got water today.
What do I get in return?
My love and affection. Come on and get back on the table.
What's that?
I had some ranch sauce left, buttermilk ranch sauce from Popeyes still left. And I told you guys in my couple of videos I did with my Popeyes Mukbang that the sauce is everything. Like,
It's not everything.
normally my child, he put hot sauce on everything for me. I'm surprised he didn't put that on there.
Put anything on what?
On your salmon cakes.
You just give me an idea.
Let's try it. Here we go.
You give me an idea.
Guys, it goes.
You just gave me an idea. You just gave me an idea. You will
Your
regret that.
stomach's gonna hurt because it's chocolate milk and
Yeah, you gave me that idea. You're gonna regret that. You
No,
did.
you
You
are.
said putting hot sauce on a salmon cake. Let's do it.
okay, that's much. That's it.
I need to make a smiley face.
That's it.
Okay, done. I made a weird face on my, like, it's like, kill.
This is good, guys. I didn't want to make this a long video. This might be. We're going to do some questions.
What questions?
Q&As.
No.
So you guys can get to know my son Alex. So Alex, what's your name?
Alex, you just said it.
Alright, how old are you, Alex?
20. 21. Okay, 11.
11 years old. Okay, Alex. What's your favorite color?
I feel like that's obvious. I'm wearing it.
They don't know.
I'm wearing it. It's right
His
here.
favorite color is blue.
It's like, I feel like that's obvious.
What's your favorite food?
I feel like they see me eat enough chicken to know that.
So your favorite food is chicken?
Yeah, I feel like they see me eat enough chicken to know that.
We didn't do that many chicken videos, have we? Alright, what's your favorite movie?
Godzilla.
You actually seen that movie? Hmm? Any other favorite movie?
No.
What's your favorite cartoon?
The Amazing World of Gumball.
Hmm?
The Amazing World of Gumball. You haven't heard of it?
The Amazing World of Gumball. I heard of it. I just never watched it because I seen one like or two episodes when you were little when you was watching it. Okay.
You got like 7.
What's your favorite cartoon character?
Of who? Of what?
Are you a cartoon character? Who's your favorite cartoon character?
I feel like it's obvious. It's Ben 10.
Okay. What's your favorite superhero? DC and Marvel.
Ah, that's easy. Spider-Man. Black Widow. I'm joking. Just Spider-Man and... How should I say? How should I put this? Batman from the future.
Batman from the future.
It's not actually Bruce this time. In the future, it's not Bruce.
Okay.
No, for real, it isn't.
Okay. Who is your favorite villain from Marvel and DC?
Bane. Wait, no. Yeah, Bane. Bane. Wait, no, Brainiac. And... Firestar.
I thought Firestar was good.
Oh my bad. I just said villain, my bad. I was
Yeah, I said villain. And ain't Brainy good? Because in Supergirl, he's good.
Not the one I'm talking about, Brainiac one.
Oh, okay.
He's the first Brainiac to ever been made.
Oh, so he's a bad, okay. So, Brainiac and who?
He collects planets, Earth, a whole universe he has.
Okay, so Brainiac and who else? For your villain. Because Firestar's a good guy.
Firestar is a girl.
Huh?
Firestar is a girl.
He's a good guy.
No, it's a girl. In Marvel, she's a girl.
And, the Flash is a guy. Firestorm. Oh, he said Firestar, right? Okay.
You talking about
But you
Firestar?
said Firestorm. I thought you said Firestorm, guys. You said Firestar. Okay. So she's a villain?
No, she's a good guy.
Okay, so who? What's your favorite villain? You said Brainiac, and who's the second one? Marvel and DC.
From Marvel, it has to be. I have to choose Whirlwind.
Okay. What's your favorite animal?
Huh?
What's your favorite animal? Because you got a turtle, you got a lizard, we got a cat. What's your favorite animal? You had a dog before, so what's your favorite animal? I had to choose which one would be your favorite animal.
Snake.
But we don't have a snake. We never have
You
one.
never mentioned I had to pick from this family.
Okay, you don't have to pick whatever your favorite animal is. That's your favorite animal? Why is that your favorite animal?
Poison fangs.
Oh no.
The stripes, the patterns. Oh, majestic.
You know they could eat humans too, right?
Yeah. And the way they eat rats and mice. We can have that thing rolling around the house.
Nope.
And I can just patrol for rats and mouse.
Nope, that's what we got Kuro for.
Oh, the Carol.
No rats gonna come in here because they smell her. Rats are afraid. Mouse are afraid of cats.
They smell teeth, not rat. They smell teeth. So they're just gonna walk in and say, teeth.
No, they smell her. Cats have
I'm pretty sure that thing knocks.
cats have a distinctive smell that rats or mouses can smell, I guess, because they don't come. They scared. Cause I know a lot of people in this building probably have mouses, but we have not had one because we had ever since we had Carol. Yeah, I haven't never seen one. So, what's your favorite game?
Skyline.
Mm-hmm. I knew that because that's what you play.
Wait, no. Lego Batman. 3. Beyond. Coffee.
What's your favorite drink?
I feel like I'm drinking it right now, but
Chocolate milk is your favorite drink? But you rarely drink chocolate milk.
wait, no. It's actually Sunny D. Yeah, I like Sunny D. Sunny D is delicious.
Okay. Who's your best friend?
The cat.
The cat too. Carol's your best friend?
Yes.
You don't have no best friend in school? You didn't make no best friend yet?
I feel like I've just been avoiding everybody.
Why?
Because I want to avoid people.
You don't want to talk to Caitlin and no? And
No.
what's her name? Mira? Amira? Or it's these girls that used to be in his class.
Yeah, you got it right
That
the first time.
Amira, right? The two Amiras. It was the two girls with the same name in your class. Remember?
That's Ariana.
Ariana, there you go. Ariana, what? G and Ariana.
P.
What happened to them? Did you see them in the horror? Fabian and.
I shall never speak about that devil again.
Oh, you're not your friend no more?
I'm not speaking about it.
Alright, guys. We're finished eating. He been finished. I just finished.
Haha, I win. You stink. Ha ha ha.
So make sure, if you like the video, that concludes our question. And if you want to know more about Alex, we'll do a part 2 question. And so make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet, and join this family. Because we're uploading what, every other day or every day?
Every day.
And so make sure you hit that bell notification so you can what? They can't hear you.
Subscribe.
And what? Hit that bell notification so you can
Drink some chocolate milk.
be notified of all the videos that we upload. And
We're actually selling some merchandise. We have a heart balloon and some guy named.
we're not selling no balloons. He's so silly. But thank
No,
you for being here.
We have some
And
plushies of me.
Thanks for
President
watching.
May.
Peace.
So go to jessica.com.
Peace, love, harmony. Bye, guys.